Hey, welcome back. So before moving forward, I just wanted to show you two great resources which will help you throughout your software engineering career. Okay, so the first resource is the MDN, Mozilla Developer Network. Okay, so Mozilla is the company behind Firefox. Okay, as you can see, they are having this particular website which is really awesome. So resources for developers by developers, documenting CSS, HTML, and JavaScript since 2005. So MDN, or the Mozilla Developer Network, is the closest thing which we can get basically as a JavaScript documentation. Okay, so I can click on this one. As you can see, this is here. So now let's do something like this: built-in objects, array, and so on. And as you can see, all of the things have appeared here, all of the methods which we can do. There are some of the code snippets here, so which is really awesome. For example, you want to learn about the map method. So as you can see here, array prototype.map. Okay, so this is the map method. There is a little bit of the description. There is the code snippet, and there is the expected output here as well. We can run this here as well. As you can see, it works properly. All right, and there is all of the descriptions here and so on and so forth. And at the end, we are having this particular chart. This particular chart is basically suggesting us inside of the desktop, the Chrome version 1 and above basically supports the map function. Okay, and all of the other browsers has their versions listed here as well inside of the mobile. And this is basically the JavaScript runtime which we have seen. So we have seen Node.js here, we have Dino here as well, we have Bun here as well. All right, so this is a really nice chart. Okay, all right, so this is the MDN resource. One of the other resources which I really find helpful is JavaScript.info. Okay, as you can see, this is basically a similar thing. Okay, so if I just click on this one, so hello world, as you can see here, we are having the description, we are having the code snippet here. If I just run this, as you can see, we are having this one. Okay, awesome. So as you can see, this is another really nice resource to have. Okay, so in case if you are having some trouble, okay, so in case if you are having some bugs which you are not able to fix, so in case if you want to learn something new, such as the nullish coalescing operator, you can go to javascript.info. You can search for this one here, or you can go to Google and search for something like nullish coalescing operator, MDN, and so on and so forth. Okay, also we have the ChatGPT here as well, but I will highly suggest you to find the things online before moving to some LLM. Okay, because like finding the things is a skill. Okay, and you might not know whether the data which is the LLM is providing is proper or not. Okay, so going through these resources, basically the MDN and the javascript.info resources, will make you a better developer. Okay, all right, so in this video I just wanted to show you these two awesome resources. So we have discussed about the MDN resource and the javascript.info resource. Okay, awesome.